Hey, what up, you guys? Tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss, and we back at it again today. Today, man, we're gonna be making up some jambalaya. I got some chicken, I got some peppers, onions, and I got some sausage, and I got some shrimp too, but I gotta get them peeled. And I'm gonna be using some Creole seasoning there, and I got some. Instead of using water to cook up the rice, I'm gonna be using chicken broth. So let's go ahead and start off by putting our chicken on. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let that simmer up, get done. Let's go ahead and get our rice started. Alright, so I'm gonna be using my rice cooker to put the rice in and cook it up. I'm gonna do 3 cups of rice, 3 cups of chicken broth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on white rice for it to cook. As it start getting done, we're gonna add in our stuff. We're gonna put some Creole seasoning on our chicken. Just toss it around. Get it on the other side. Alright, stay tuned, you guys. Let's let that go ahead and cook on up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in my sauces. I'm gonna add in my veggies. We're just gonna let the sausage get a little brown crust on it. Okay, since now our meat is done, the chicken, the sausage, and the veggies, we're gonna go ahead and add in here with our white rice. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice little stir. I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon of Creole seasoning. I'm gonna add in another cup of chicken broth. Okay, now we're gonna let that cook until our rice get done. Stay tuned, you guys. Go ahead and put our shrimp in. I'm going to go ahead and get our shrimp nice and pink. Stay tuned. You guys, so our rice is pretty much done. So we're going to go ahead and add in our shrimp because we don't want them to get overdone. Just give it a little toss. Smells amazing, you guys. I wish you guys could try this out. So let me go ahead and grab me a bowl. Okay, here we have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some green onions over mine. That's just what I like. And there you have it, here you have it, our final product of the jambalaya. Man, it smells amazing. I can't wait to dig into this, you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in today, checking out your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, peace out.